Good morning, everyone. I am Ms. Chitrangda Singh. And I am Ms. Akriti Shukla. Our students of Utpal Sangvi Global School, Borivali West. Our school's affiliation number is 1131208. Our title is CBSE Science Exhibition 2024-25 under the theme Science and Technology for Sustainable Future. Our sub-theme is Waste Management and our category is 1, grade 6 to 8. An electric generator made from plastic waste. Our topic is EcoWorld Dynamo. Plastic is a global problem, but it can also turn into a valuable resource. In this presentation, we will explore the making of an electric generator made from recycled plastic. The materials required for our EcoWorld generator are recycled plastics, permanent magnets, copper wire, and other components. Akriti, can plastic waste be used as a resource? Yes, Chitranga. Plastic waste can be a valuable resource with its abundant supply, versatile properties, economic benefits, and environmental impact. Oh, really? How is plastic a valuable resource? Can you elaborate? Yes, plastic can be recycled and repurposed. It involves various steps. The first step is collection and sorting. Plastic waste is gathered and sorted based on its type, color, and quality. Step number 2 is cleaning and shredding. The plastic undergoes cleaning and shredding processes to remove any contaminants and prepare it for further processing. Step number 3 is melting and molding. The plastic is melted and molded into specific shapes and components required for the generator's construction. The final step is assembly and testing. The molded components are carefully assembled and the generator is thoroughly tested to ensure it meets performance standards. Oh, now I understand. So you see, plastic is a problem, but it can also be used as a solution. Yes, right. It can be used as sustainable energy solutions in many ways, like renewable energy, reduced carbon footprints, and environmental stewardship. So now we know that plastic waste can be used to generate energy. But do you know which type of energy can be generated? Yes, mechanical energy can be generated from plastic waste by rotational motion, manual operation, and energy conversion. Yes, correct. Now, I would like to talk about prototype development and testing. Firstly, there is performance evaluation. The prototype generator undergoes rigorous testing to assess its electrical output, efficiency, and reliability. Next, there is practical application. The generator's feasibility for various applications, such as powering small electronics or charging devices, is evaluated. Now, let's dive into our project and see how electricity is generated using plastic waste.
To make our project the EcoVolt Dynamo, we will need a few materials such as 3 cardboard circles 4 cm each, ball bearing, glue or double-sided tape, cardboard base, few plastic bottle caps, a DC motor, electrical wires, disc, bulb, a thick thread and a small piece of cardboard. Take the cardboard circles, stack and glue them together, one on top of the other. Now, take the disc and attach it to the stacked circles and add the ball bearing. Now, take the double-sided tape and attach the bottle caps all around the disc at equal distances.
Now, stick another cardboard circle to the bottom of this structure and stick the whole setup to the cardboard base.
Stick a small piece of cardboard on the cardboard base as shown in the video. Now, fix the LED bulb through the cardboard. Now, stick the motor with the help of a double-sided tape on the cardboard base and connect the electrical wires to the LED bulb. Attach the thread around the disc and the motor shaft, creating a pulley system. Now, to test the system, rotate the disc manually to spin the motor and generate power to light the bulb.
The scientific principles used in this project are electromagnetic induction, which generates electricity via motion and magnetic fields. Energy conversion. Mechanical energy from rotation is converted into electrical energy. Pulley system. It helps transfer motion from the disc to the motor efficiently.
DC power generation. The motor generates direct current for powering the bulb. Friction and torque. Mechanical forces influence the efficiency of energy generation. Load resistance. The bulb converts electric energy into light and its resistance affects how much current is needed.
The EcoWorld generator demonstrates the potential of plastic waste as a resource for sustainable energy production.
By transforming the plastic waste into a source of electricity, we can contribute towards a cleaner and a more sustainable future.
Thank you.